Hey, what's up guys? How's it going? Today I'm going to do a quick review on the KTK's Silicone Earpads. Now these Earpads, they cost me around $12 to $13 on Amazon. Now these Earpads, they are 100% silicone material. They're pretty stretchable as well. Feels very rubbery, so they do give a good grip when these Earpads are installed on the AirPods Max. Now inside of the Earpads, you can see that it does give you the left and right indicators to determine which side you're going to install these Earpads to. We do have all the cutouts for the headphones, the scrolling wheel, the stem here, and the button on the top. So let me start by installing these Earpads onto the AirPods Max. And these AirPods Max are the space gray version, so these will look very nice with the space gray color. Now to install these is pretty much straightforward. So you want to start from the top, make sure all the buttons, the knob lines up correctly. Okay, so as you can see, that's how it pretty much looks like. It does cover the light, but the light still shines through the silicone material, so you don't have to worry about that. The microphones here, we do have a good slot for all of these microphones. Let me start by installing the left one here real quick. And the left one too, it fits very well. This fit for the AirPods, it's very snug. It's more snug than the other silicone AirPads case that I've reviewed on my earlier video. This does have a tighter fit, and it fits way more snug on the AirPods Max. When you try to move the case around, it doesn't want to bulge. It basically has a good grip of the AirPods and a pretty much a perfect fit as well. So this is how the Earpads look on the AirPods Max. The silicone material is not the same exact color as the top of the stem material of the AirPods Max. This is more like a gray color, and this is more darker, looking more black than gray. So you got to keep that in mind, that there are two different color shades with the AirPods stem and the AirPads itself. But they still look nice. They still give like a dark look to them. So this is how they basically look from the front. It's a very perfect fit. You don't see too much of the stainless steel material from the AirPods. It's basically 99% covered. This is how it looks like from the back view. As you can see that. This is the bottom here. You still have room for your Apple charger. And it still gives you room for the microphones. And as you can see, the light there still shines through the silicone material. And this is how they basically look from the top. You still have enough room for your crown to scroll it side to side, and of course the button as well. And this does not get in the way with the stem, so you can still open it and close it with no problem. Now I do have my AirPods case. Let's start by inserting the AirPods inside the case. As you can see there, it's very snug, not very tight at all. It fits in perfectly with no problem. And as you can see there, even if you do insert the AirPods with the case does not move around when you insert it inside of the smart case. You still have space for the charging port. This does not cover it at all when you put it inside the Apple case. So this is how they basically look inside of the case. They pretty much blend in with the case. And now that I'm seeing here, the AirPads, the color of the AirPads matches more with the case than with the stem itself, because the stem looks more of a grayish bluish color, and the smart case is more of a dark black gray color. Matches more with the AirPads there. As you can see there, they look very nice. They provide a good amount of protection against scratches, scuffs, and that type of stuff. If you take it out there, that's how you take it out with no problem. As you can see there, they fit perfectly. And for $12 to $13, if you like this style here with the silicone material to protect the AirPods, these are a perfect buy and a perfect fit. So the KTK's brand, it's a very good brand to consider if you're planning on buying some AirPad covers. So guys, that was just basically a quick review of the KTK's AirPad covers for the AirPods Max. If you enjoyed this video or found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.